This is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, as you can see, I'm currently at the default camera photo mode. So let's zoom into something and see what is the farthest we can zoom in. So as you can see, the maximum zoom value that I can afford is 20x or 20-fold, which is fairly good zoom if you ask me. And as you could have seen from the viewfinder, it also, well, provides you with a decent quality considering that was a 20x zoom. So, well, great success, I guess. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.